You gotta be to the box.
Long shot. This one.
Mr. Simon says don't break the box.
Break the box.
Yeah, I don't think it's capable of breaking.
Oh.
I'm getting dizzy.
I'm right.
My hair. I'm dizzy. Bye, Lizzie. Spin me again. Don't close it. I get hot in here.
Can I flip you?
No.
No, they didn't break the box.
And then we reassemble the box.
I'm not about to Lizzie, you're breaking the box.
No.
It's stuck. No, I'm not.
Lizzie, you're breaking the box.
It's not breaking. It's just disassembling.
Exactly. Then you're reassembling it yourself.
The whole box.
Oh, look, what now? Yeah, shut up.